Hi guys, we welcome to part 7 for WordPress installation. So guys, what we're going to do now, we've seen how to install a plugin and how to use it, but now the difference here, in part 1 of installation of the plugin, we saw this was green, which means what fine, and this was the same color as this, and we'd never seen this color before. So this simply means your keyword is bad, so it means it has to appear maybe more a couple of times, and also you have to put it in your title and all that. So I believe guys you're going to see the difference, so we want to fix this to look a little bit good. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go here and we put something like this, and yeah, trying to see if, yeah, you can see now it changed from red to orange, so that simply means we're getting it right. So you can see if you take that out it will be, but if we put it back then it comes back fine. So yes, we managed to fix that. But this guys is so important to learn how to do your SEO. You'll save a lot of money. Instead of advertising, you're gonna just use this and things will be fine for you. So I'm gonna take this and copy it and paste it here, first here. Yes, so that is fine. And I get this and I go here. You can see this is red or green now. It means the readability is okay. This must be green also, so it should be at least a little bit longer, so it's crying about the characters are small or less. So we can see loop, PHP loop through 2 times from start to end time in PHP. Okay, this tutorial. So bad. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe. I guess you've seen how this works, so we can end it there, but it has to be green. So the more content you put here, the more chances to make this green, and the more chances also to make your SEO fine. So guys, this part 2 on SEO on Yoast it's gonna end here, but you've seen we managed to change this and this, but also we'll come to the point whereby this should be green, this one. So if it's green it means it's perfect. So it hasn't been to that level, but anyway, we shouldn't forget to go to document and pick our picture. We're still in PHP, that's why we're using one picture. Then we shift this and we say post, and we say done, publish. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. See you in part 8, and please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share our content. And also if you have any problems, please let us know so that we can help you solve the problems you have been encountering. So yeah, this is what we call our end of part 7 guys. So but we worked much on SEO on that plugin. So guys, see you in part 8. Thanks for watching. Bye.